Hey guys, welcome to AngularJS tutorial. So in this session, we'll be learning about routing. So first of all, you should know what routing is. So if you want to navigate to different pages in your application, and or you can say that you want your application to be a single page application, like without any page reloading, then you can then NGRoute comes into the picture. So NGRoute module, using this module, we can navigate to different pages in our application. So let's start with this and we'll understand this by an example. So before starting, guys, you should know what and all you need to have before starting with it. So the first thing is I have included this route file over here, and the second thing you need to have is like ng route module dependency. That we'll see how we can include that. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just Okay, I've created one more file, that is control1.js. So let's get started. Angular dot module. Here we'll be giving our app name, and here we have to give dependency, ng dependency. So let's copy the app name and paste it over here. And here we need to give ng-route as dependency. So ng-route, this model, what it is doing is it is just helping your application to become single page application. That's all. And once you have included ng-route module, we get the access of route provider, which will help us to navigate to different pages. So um, app.config. Okay, so under this I can include route provider because I have already accessed ng-route, so I got the access to this. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, okay, let's just write route provider dot when. Suppose you want, when the URL is this, you want something to be displayed like, suppose I'm writing here as hi user. Here, guys, you can either give the text or you have some other file, then directly you can give the file name over here. So I have not created any other file, so directly I'm giving the text. So let's just close it with a semicolon, and let's include one more. So it is when the URL will have another page, then it should display something like um, wel welcome to the other page. Okay, I'll enclose it with a semicolon. So when you have this simple URL, then it will display this, or if you have another page in your URL, it will display this. And okay, so then let's go and check it out how it is working. Star.html. It's not working. It's not working because, yeah, because see, whatever your route provider is getting, it has to put all the contents into some container, right? So the container has to be here. So for that, we have another, this directive, that is ngview. So you can directly write it as ngview, or you can write it under some div or something. So I'm using a div. Okay, now we'll go and check if it's working or not. It is still not working. Okay. Mm. Okay, this file is not included over here. So what I'll do, I'll just include this file, script source controller1.js. Now it should work. Let's just reload this. Okay, so the hi user has come because for this URL we have just given slash, right? For that we want to display hi user. And guys, here a hash will always come, right? In AngularJS when you're trying to run a program. So if with URL it will come. So suppose now what I want to do is I want this message to be displayed. So I want this URL to work. So I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here, and we'll see if it is working or not. See, it's working. So for both different URLs, we have something like this. For this, we have this. For this another page, we have this message. And likewise, you can include so many, paths, whatever you want, and on what path what you want to display, you can add all. So for example, if I want to add, um, I don't know if it will work or not. I'm just simply giving it. So like if it says like anything else, like if you've given nothing or anything else, so it should come as, okay, I'll just give and then we'll check. I'm giving it as error. So okay, we need to reload this. Okay, suppose hash. Okay, it has come right. Suppose if I give some random anything else, then okay guys, so it's not when, if you want to if you want to display anything like error or something, like so then you have to give it under like dot otherwise. So for dot otherwise, I've given template as error. So now let's see what happens. So I'll just reload this. Okay, this is the normal one. This one we have. And suppose rather than this, if I give anything else, which should satisfy this condition, like otherwise whatever, if I give anything random, then the error should come. See, now the error is coming. So guys, this is how you can navigate to different pages. I have simply used text messages, and you can use even the file names, or you can what you can do is you can make some links on the home page, and then you can click on the link and you can check how it's working without without the page reloading. So this was the basic of the very basic of routing, and we'll be learning some more on routing in the next tutorial. Till then, thanks guys.